I'm gonna give these to some fans. I got a few of these custom ducks. My name is Ruben and I am not a cruise ship expert, but Chris and Paula say I am. One thing I am so excited for is that Betty helped set up a meet and greet for my next cruise on the Panorama in October. So in anticipation for this, I thought what better way than to help support my fans who show up than to get them some gifts. Here's something that Kelly actually made for me. She made me a whole family of ducks from cruisingquackers.com with my picture on it. I like these ducks so much that I actually bought a few for my next sailing and I'm gonna give some away. So if you're with me on the Panorama, look out for these. And I also got some stuff from K&L Creation. Kevin and Lisa, they make some amazing stuff. So right now, we're actually gonna check out what I bought from them. This video is not sponsored by them. They did give me some stuff for free though in my last cruise on Frenzy, but they are just amazing and super generous people, and I really just want to give them a shout out because they're so awesome. So let's do like a little unboxing. This stuff, I actually paid for all of this stuff. This is from K&L Creations. One really cool thing about Kevin and Lisa, only charge what it costs them to make stuff. Hopefully it's not rustling too much. So they're not making a profit on it. Let's keep going. What else we got? Okay, so we're opening up. I'm gonna take out stuff one at a time. One of these things is a special for Betty. So if you see this, don't be surprised when you get it. Okay, here it is. Let's see, first thing that I'm opening up. Oh, these are the magnets. Okay, I got all of these magnets that have the Panorama ship on it. Check that out. And it's got my YouTube channel. So I've got a few of these that I'm gonna give out. Okay, let's see what else I got. Ooh, okay, more of those, same thing. I think these are all, yep, okay. These are all the same thing. So these are all little cruise ship magnets. So see how they all kind of stick together? They're magnets, these are perfect. These will go on your door and they will stick. That's one of the cool things about K&L is that he actually figured out the magnets that will stick even on the doors that don't stick anything else. You can see here that I tried sticking something on it, didn't work. These guys, because of the magnet, they'll stick. I'll put a link to all this stuff. I'll put a link to his Facebook group, K&L Creations. You can check that out here. Definitely go support them. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, okay, here. Here are some of the bigger ones. Okay, two more really cool things. These are the Panorama ship with the date, October. I'm gonna give these to some fans as a thank you for supporting me. Okay, ooh, okay, I know what these are. These are buttons. So, I love the buttons that Kevin makes. So, I ordered a bunch of them so that I can give them out. Check these out. These are buttons, you can see, so you can stick them on your shirt, and it's got me on it. All right. So I've got a bunch of these buttons that I'm gonna get to give away. Oh, and okay, check this out. This is gonna be really cool. I'm really excited for this. So, in addition to that, I also got more buttons, but these have magnets on the back. So look, you can stick them on a shirt. I'm actually gonna stick this on me. Doop. Check that out. So I got a button that I can stick on my shirt. So these buttons will stick not only to your shirt, but you can also stick them to your cruise cabin. So cool. Okay, let's see what else we got. All right, we've got more ships, and these ones have the date of my sailing on it. So cool. All right, let's see what else we got here. Okay, more stuff. Ooh, okay. Ooh, cruise friends. Looks like Kevin added a few extra things. Oh, some really cool things. His K&L Creations. So this is their company, Kevin and Lisa, K&L Creations. They make all this stuff, and yeah, isn't this, oh, this is so cool. So I bought all the other stuff. He sent some of these just for me for free. because we're cruise friends. All right, thank you, Kevin. Thanks for sending that. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay, a couple more here, more ships. #1 fan. So these are for the people who are actual true fans of mine that I'm gonna give away. I also wanted to show you some of the other stuff. So all of this stuff I bought. You can get this stuff too. So again, this is not a sponsored video, but I bought this stuff with my own money, and I just want to share it all with you because I like it so much, and there's so many cool things. Now I do want to share this. So Kevin, he did give these to me for free, just because he's a cool guy. So this is, again, a door thing. These will stick on any of the doors because he puts these strong magnets on them. So he made these for me. This goes to my Facebook page. So he made these for me. These he actually made for me. I really appreciate that. All the other stuff I bought just because I thought these things are so cool. These are door decorations. So K&L Creations, there's a link up here. You can get all kinds of custom stuff. Basically, if you can think of it, he can probably make it. He laser engraves stuff. He can make pins, buttons, and then any kind of wood stuff. So you can see these are things he's made, and he made these things. So all kinds of really cool door decorations or stuff that you can give away to people. So I'm gonna give this stuff away to some of my fans. I'm so excited for this meet and greet.